back to the channel, everyone. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe. So today we're in Lydiard Park, Swindon, and we're trying out the Palm Bar and Restaurant. So we just finished our food. I had the chickpea curry, which is absolutely lovely, and it came with naan bread, poppadoms and rice, and it also had a mango chutney, and it was all really lovely for the price and for the time of day. Really, really filling. Kirk had a jacket potato, and that came with tuna, beans, cheese, coleslaw and a little bit of side salad, and again really, really filling, and for the price it was absolutely fantastic. So if you're having a day out in Lydiard Park, I definitely recommend going to the Palm Bar and Restaurant. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to put a thumbs up, really helps the videos. And if you're not already subscribed, press the subscribe button.